So somebody asked me this question. He said, how do I present my job using Mockup? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to present your job using Mockup. So I'm going to use a magazine Mockup, for instance. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it and how to make use of it. All right. So hop onto your system and open your browser. So we're going to search for magazine Mockup. All right. So once you search for once you search for magazine Mockup, this is what you are going to have, right? So if you come over to image, you can see a lot of them. So we have a lot of mockup. We have cup mockup, mug mockup, logo mockups, a lot. So I'm not teaching you how to do it from scratch. I'm teaching you how to download and make use of. Life not too hard. Not come and stress myself. So when you come to all, so this is the one you guys always see me using on some of my designs. So especially magazine. So this is the particular one I always use. So if you come over to this is the one I make use of. All right. So when you come to download, you can download. There are a lot of them here. There are a lot. So you can go and download. Stop asking me where can I get the mockup. I'm telling you where you can get it for free. You're not paying me. So what you're going to do is come to download and it will download. So make sure you have a zip file. A zip file is a software that enables you open some downloaded files. Do you understand? Zip file. Somebody will say, ask me what is zip file. Okay, well, hello, I'll teach you. Go to this and type for zip. All right, it might give you zip trouser. Ah, voila. Zip cool. Share talk it to give us zip trouser. Um, zip extractor. Use zip extractor. All right. If in case you don't have it to see it here. Win, 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 ra. Oh, voila. Hey, God of it. Sha, na zip. Something's not going to kill me. Anyways, this is how to get it. You can see zip extractor. So once you get the zip extractor, make sure it's downloaded on your system. In case you don't have it, get it. Now, once you download, you can come and open it. This is what you're going to have. You can see this is zip. So once you have it, you can open any file. Now we're going to open our Photoshop. All right. Once you open your Photoshop, for those of you who always ask me, why don't I use Photoshop? I'm not a Photoshop user. I use Photoshop for certain things, images, manipulations, and all. I can't come and be teaching two things in this video. I beg. The same thing I'm designing on coreldraw, you can also implicate it on Photoshop. So it's simple. All right, not that simple, sha. So I want to, do this. You know the culture. All right. In case you know the culture, I'm not going to say it here. So I'm going to hop onto my Photoshop. This is the file. So once you download it, open it, bring it to Photoshop. So I've taught you how to get mockups. You can do it. You can use this pattern and get different mockups. Right now, you can see. Come back to this on the right hand side, the downside. You understand? You will see front cover. So under that front cover, or on the front cover, you see a thumbnail. It's called a thumbnail. Pardon me. Subject smart object thumbnail. So if you double click on it, it will open this. All right. So if you watch, this is the front page. If you come over to this is it. Like I said, I'm not coming here to teach you from scratch. Now you will see background. Double click on it. You will see this thing, this dialog box. Click on OK. So once you click on OK, you will see it to turn to layer. Do you understand? Now you will see this eye, not your own eye. You will see one eye that is there. Look at your screen now. They look me. I look like your girlfriend. Click on that eye. It will vanish this thing, this particular design you're seeing. Now it will enable you bring your own design. Do you understand? Okay. Now if you come over to this is a design. All right. This is the front cover. This is the back page. Now somebody you still ask me, how do I get it here? Simply export from coreldraw. Once you're done designing in coreldraw, export it as jpeg. Somebody will still ask me, how do you export in jpeg? There's a video I posted about how to export, best exporting settings. Go and watch it. Once you watch it, you know how to export designs. Now bring in your cover page, because you're working on the cover page. You understand what I'm saying? You get it? Now this will come up. In case you didn't see this anchor point, just click on, press Ctrl C to transform. It's meant to transform. Now drag this to this part, drag this over here. All right. Then you will see this check mark. All right. It's still commit, transform, enter. You can press enter, or you can click on it. Enter is on your keyboard. Enter. Enter key. This is enter key. This big one that they write enter. What does it ask me where is enter? No, enter heaven. So click on this to close it. When you're closing this particular workspace, it will show you that save changes to Adobe Photoshop document. Now it's asking you, do you want to save or rewrite the one that is there? That one that I showed you before. Are we communicating? If you don't understand, sure. So click on yes. This one will come up again. Click on OK. Tell am say you don't finish. You understand? Now boom, it is here. Now you want to do the back cover. You have exported your back cover, right? Now you will see on this place, drag this place. Do you understand? This form you're seeing here, this thumbnail, you see back cover. See, back cover. Double click on it. This one that you're seeing here. This one, are you seeing it? Double click on it. It will bring this one. Double click on this one too. Click on OK. Then remove the eye to vanish this thing. I didn't say you should go and plug your eye. Oh. Not this abeg, ejo. Remove that eye. When you remove that eye, then come over to the back cover, right? Come over to this and basically do this, do this, do this, do this. Then click on this and close it. Click on yes to rewrite. Tell this guy that you're done. Then Otilo, you can see there. Now you see on the middle, it is called spine. Wetin your mind dey tell you? I say spine, spine. Spin. I don't know if there's E there, but if there is, you can include it and call it spine. You get the point now? Hey, wahala, you see. Oh, children of God dey here, sha. Spine. E dey middle. When you fold the book like this, when you have a book, when you fold it, there's something at the edge, like here. So sometimes they will usually write something here. It's called spine. So when you come over, you see edge cover. Say edge. You can see it very straight. Sometimes I don't do spine designs, like I don't put things there. I normally use I can either use the back cover, bring it here, expand it, bring this guy here. You get the point now, bro. Click on this. That's if you have a spine design, you can bring it. I do spine design, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now rewrite everything. You can see now you can come over to this and change the color. You can see background color. You can choose design color, background color based on the design you have. Now I have something blue and gold, which is about a word. I can come to this yellow and give it this. It's as simple as that. So if you want something bluish, you can come to blue. You can see something like this that looks. You get the point now. Click on OK. Now, bro, did we nail it or we unnailed it? Now this is how to do mockup. You can do this, use this pattern, download different mockup, logo mockup, chair mockup, mockup. This is how to do it. But there are ones you will look for, if you know see them the way you want them, or if you just want to create them by yourself. But this is a video for another day. How to create mockup from scratch. But it's not something I'm going to be showing you for now. Maybe later. You know what I'm saying? Now, I hope you understand. In case you don't understand, that means you're not subscribed to this channel. Share this video to your wife, share it to your brother, share it to your girlfriend. And sorry for wasting your time today. Don't tell me thank you. We know they do that kind of thing for you. Don't tell me thank you. You understand? See you guys in my next video. In case you love me, you want to support me, my account number is somewhere and somewhere. Just gonna drop something there. See you guys in my next video. Voila. I'm done now.